what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today is going to be a really quick video. I have a BOXYCHARM box. This is my first box. This is the January box. I know everybody did their boxes. Everybody got different things. And today I'm going to see what we have. Okay, so I'm about to open it with my handy dandy scissors. Cuticle scissors, whatever this is. This is my first box opening. And it says, "Hello Charmers" on the front. That's cute. And it comes with this in here. It says BOXYCHARM Breaking the Ice. And I guess it tells you everything on the back, what's in the box, but I'm not going to read it. Okay. First item is called Luxy Gaia, and it says brushes include, makeup brushes, can never have too many. Luxy 250 large eye blending, Luxy 246 precision crease brush, and a Luxy 510 foundation brush. Let's look at that. And by the way, I did not watch any unboxings. I don't know what anybody else got. Wow. It's like pink wooden brushes, 3 of them. That is so nice. Yes, you can never have too many brushes. Okay. Oh, let me put them back in the package. I like to keep my things in packages. I just feel like I keep up with them better when they're in packages. Next item says Wonder Beauty Trip for 2 blush and bronzer duo. And let's open that up. Probably gonna do I'm gonna do a swatch of whatever items I get also. It's called Bellini and Costa Rica. It's like a pink and like a goldish brown color. It's so light. This is not for my skin tone. You can barely see it on me. So I'm probably not going to use that. When I start doing giveaways, this is probably going to be one of my giveaways. Don't like the colors. Alright. Next is a Too Faced product. This is probably my second Too Faced product. I don't really buy these products, but they do have some good items. This is the Too Faced Diamond Fire Highlight. I love highlight. And this is really hard to open. I'm going to swatch this. Oh my God. Look at it. It's like in a ring case. It's Your Time to Shine. Okay. Oh my God. This is so pretty. It is so pretty. Let me come up. It's like pink and gold. Do a little swatch. I don't want to mess it up. It's so pretty. Ooh. That is so pretty. Let me get some more light in here. One moment. Okay, I'm back. I put a little natural light in here. Open my window. Anyway, let's see if you can see it better now. Pinkish gold color. These are really light colors on me. You can't really see it. It's at the bottom. But yeah, that was the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. What's in here? Ooh. Avant Shea Butter Rice Brand Panthenol Polydescent Age Radiance 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb into the skin. No need to wash off. It's by Avant. I'm going to be trying that out tonight. What else is in here? Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. Just like makeup brushes, you can never have enough mascara. Let me see. I don't know why I smelled it, but it smells good. I like that makeup, that smell. All right, what else we got in here? We have a Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Oh. This is nice. And it's like in the shape of a bird cage. That's pretty. It's Nocturnal Pillow Fight, Break Free, Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, Flip Out, I Spy, Silver Spoon, Swoop, After Midnight, and All Nighter is the black shade. I don't really want to swatch these. They're really light. I don't really want to. They're really light colors, so they might not show up on me. Like browns, they're not going to show up on my skin. And I have one more item left. It's in bubble wrap. Okay. It's called Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn. Okay, let's see. And I guess this is another palette. So 2 palettes. That's nice. 2 palettes and a blush and 2 highlighters. That's nice. Mascara, sleeping mask, and brushes. Yes, this is another palette. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so pretty. See it? Do it like this. Wow. Vintage Dawn. This is really pretty. Now I'm going to swatch at least 2 of these colors, the yellow and the orange. Okay, I'm going to swatch the Horizon and Daybreak. Yep, they show up really good. You know why I did the yellow and orange. All right, that was the last item. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, a blush, 2 highlighters, mascara, and brushes. That was my first BOXYCHARM box ever, and I think I'm satisfied with it. It's pretty cool. A lot of items, a lot of full-size items. That's pretty cool. Only 25 bucks a month. You can't beat that, because I'm pretty sure at least one of these items costs more than 25 bucks. I'm just gonna pack that back up. Like I said, this is gonna be a really quick, short video, quick unboxing. That's all I have right now. I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.